Okay, so yeah, this is, just testing something, but yeah, today we do have quite a lot of things on my desktop. We've always had this, but you see this Scratch Junior, and eventually I'm going to actual Scratch Junior, not this fake weird one. But I have no clue what it is, it just cut off, but I got the actual Scratch Junior APK file now. But, so, you have seen all these APK files before, I'm pretty sure. You know what an APK file is, I use them with BlueStacks. But one thing, this is not a real, like, it's not really an app. Like, this isn't really an app. I mean, like, it's not really an app at all, so how did I get this? Give me that former from, and you can see it's rules by AI. That's why it has that, logo. But how do I have that? How do I have Super Mario Construct? This is this old version that was on the website. And Paper Minecraft from scratch. Super Mario Construct is newest version right now. And there's like so much stuff like Scratch, previous kids. Oh, this is APK. Yeah, so much stuff with APK, but what? So that is kind of something. Oh yeah, you could use this to make. You can convert your Scratch projects by turning your website HTML you make with Scratch into an app. So yeah, you could do that, and so yeah, you could get Scratch files as that. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff that you could do with your apps. So yeah. First, of course, you're going to need a browser. You never don't need one with this stuff. And, yeah. I don't have the link, so I'm just going to go on Discord real quick because I have to do something, of course. And, you don't really need to do this, but I'm just going to do it real quick. So, I'll see you in a second. And, boom. Okay, yeah, it's recording. So, and boom, this is her fig median. Yeah, then it close out. And it's sorry for distractions in the background. There's a whole lot of talking and stuff, but you can see we're on median.co. You get on this, trust me, this is the perfect link. I mean, the perfect link to use. The perfect website to use to get this. So yeah, you have to use HTTPs. So you can't make this thing. That'd be quite funny if you did. I don't know. Maybe you can. I just don't know. I'm not the person who made that website. And I'm not going to try that out because, yeah, it's still one. So, there's play free download. No, anyway, I don't know why I'm saying that. But, anyway, so yeah, all this stuff is here. You can see. This is all websites. Like this. So yeah, this YouTube. And of course, there's already an app for that. So I want to use that. So instead of all this, I'm going to see appleturbowarp.org. Yeah, I want to make this an app. So yeah, Turbo Warp. So medium. So yeah, this doesn't really show anything, but I'm pretty sure this will probably work. So yeah, I'll see. I don't know this works. Okay, but I think it does. So yeah, it's just, you can delete this description if you want. If there's a description like that, like one thing. So this is Turbo Warp, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah. That it, you don't really do anything. So you start building my app. There's all this. I'm of course going to keep all of this in. And yeah, so there's all entered in. So you don't really do anything on this or save or anything. You can build and download there's build all. I'm sorry for interruptions, but there's this, and then Android for your name. You can do this, I'm pretty sure. I'm just gonna say. I'm just gonna do 0.1. That's gonna be what my version name is. And use sword and all that, and then just enable. I don't know what any of this is, but you don't really do any of this. And build and download. I'm pretty sure after you build this stuff, you can download the APK file, or yeah, you could do a whole bunch of stuff. I don't really know how you make it for iOS, but for PC, you can still get BlueStacks and you can do this. So yeah, let's download the APK. It's gonna be called apprelease.apk, and then you have it. So yeah, you download BlueStacks, and you can name this whatever you want. I'm gonna name it Trauma Warp. But don't edit APK. Okay, so yeah, don't edit the APK, because if you do, the APK for it will just, yeah, you don't want it. So now BlueStacks will open. So yeah, it's what? Okay. Okay, I'll be right back when it's done. Okay, so yeah, it didn't really download it yet. I don't see it download this, but sometimes it does that. It doesn't mean that it won't download if you do it again. Okay. It's acting a little weird. Yeah, it's okay, so yeah. Something's, it was good. Try a few more times. And I'll be right back. Okay, I have no clue. It's installing apps, but it's glitching out. It's nothing. You just open your app, and it will have this. It will have this little open screen like this, and yeah, you'll see there's a T, the Turbo Warp, and that's the logo. Okay, I think it might be doing something a little bit fishy right now. So let's see if this works. If it doesn't, I'll wait it through for you to see. No, let's just wait. So yeah, let's see if it loads. I don't know if it will. But you see, Turbo Warp is a pretty good thing to have. So yeah, you see, it's finally downloaded. There's this literal whole menu. So click see inside of Bolivia. You can rename it. And you also, okay, so yeah. It's glitching a little bit, but you see that we did manage to make our website an app. So yeah, the website to app thing is really cool. And yeah, so then you could literally just click the green flag. This will load the whole thing. And yeah, Turbo Warp is a scratch mod that compiles project JavaScript. But there's also something that there's another use, basically. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, copy this and paste it somewhere. You'll probably just make a new folder, then you can open this. So yeah, this is actually easy to see files and stuff. You see, you could actually turn this to a .zip, and this actually works like nothing. Like it doesn't, like APK.exe doesn't work. There's a whole bunch of YouTubers who say that. When I try it, it doesn't work at all. So yeah, don't believe that. But yeah, I'm just trying to show everybody. But still, it's not really all about this. You can actually turn it into a .zip, and you can extract it. This is literal proof that it'll work, because it's literally extracted. And if this surprisingly doesn't work, I don't know why it won't work on your device. But if it doesn't, just use a APK to zip converter. online or something. And then you can do something. Okay, what? Oh my god. So yeah, all this won't be the same. So you open this with Windows Explorer 2 if you don't want to extract it. Not that much capacity. You can see there's assets, there's offline, there's all this stuff. There's all this, there's list, there's color, a whole bunch of folders. All of these are like one thing. So yeah, I've cut some of the videos sometimes so it will not be as long as yeah, 8:16. This video is like 10 minutes long. I'm pretty sure I started this at. But anyway, yeah, so like that's why I must have started it 11 minutes ago. What was that? Probably like 8:05. Cool. So yeah, 8:05. I'm pretty sure I started this video, but you can check all this and put it in the comments if you want. Yeah, still 8:05. But yeah, that's all for today. Bye. And this video is out. So yeah, any people, please subscribe. Any people that had enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe too. And I'm gonna start making tutorials like blah 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 about this stuff and getting APK files. And I'm just gonna teach you next time, actually, like in a few minutes. I'm gonna upload a video of the Scratch version of how to make a Scratchable app, like someone else did, but it's gonna be, don't worry, a little bit different because of course I'm not gonna be using GitHub. So yeah, use a different one that has GitHub in it if you can't have your own website. Bye.